Welcome back, everyone, to English Made Easy. Today, we're going to learn 3 words that confuse millions of English learners: could, should, and would. But don't worry, we're not going to learn them through boring grammar rules. Instead, we're going to learn them through a real-life conversation. Ready, Emma?
Absolutely. I've always been confused about these words.
Perfect. Then let's begin. Emma, imagine it's Saturday morning. You wake up and have absolutely nothing planned. What are you thinking?
Maybe I could stay home.
Excellent. What else?
I could visit my friend. I could go shopping. I could watch a movie.
Fantastic. Now tell me, have you decided what you're going to do?
No, I'm just thinking about my options.
Exactly. And that's why we use could when we're talking about possibilities or choices. For example, I could go to the gym, I could study English, I could take a nap. Nothing is decided yet. They're simply possibilities.
Oh, so whenever I have options, I can use could.
Exactly right. Now, let's continue the story. Imagine your room is a disaster. Clothes everywhere, books on the floor, even your dog looks confused. Then your mother walks in. What do you think she says?
Probably, you should clean your room.
Exactly. Why didn't she say could?
Because she's giving advice.
Excellent. That's the secret. We use should when giving advice or recommendations. For example, you should drink more water. You should exercise regularly. You should study English every day.
So should means it's a good idea.
Perfect. Nobody is forcing you. It's simply advice. Now, let's imagine something exciting. Emma, what would you do if someone gave you $1 million?
$1 million? That's easy. I would travel around the world.
Great. What else?
I would buy a beautiful house, and I would help my family.
Excellent. Now tell me, do you actually have $1 million?
Unfortunately, no.
Exactly. The situation isn't real, it's imaginary. And that's why we use would when talking about dreams, imaginary situations, or things that are not real right now.
So would is for imagination?
Exactly. Let's practice with a daily life situation. Imagine we're at a coffee shop. You open the menu. What might you say?
I could order coffee. I could order tea. I could order juice.
Very good. Those are possibilities. Now, imagine your friend says, "You look tired." What might your friend say next?
You should drink some coffee.
Excellent. That's advice. Now imagine the coffee shop owner tells you, you can have anything for free. What would you say?
I would order the biggest chocolate cake.
Exactly. That's an imaginary situation. Ready for a quick challenge?
Let's do it.
You have a headache. Your friend says, you take some medicine.
Should.
Correct. Next, you have a free evening. I watch a movie.
Could.
Perfect. Last one. If I were rich, I buy a private island.
Would.
Excellent. You're getting it. Let's make it simple. Whenever you're confused, ask yourself 3 questions. Question 1, am I talking about a possibility? Use could. Question 2, am I giving advice? Use should. Question 3, am I imagining something? Use would.
Wow, that's actually easy.
Exactly. English becomes much easier when you connect grammar to real life. Before we finish, Emma, can you summarize today's lesson?
Sure. Could equals possibility or choice. I could go to the park. Should equals advice. You should drink more water. Would equals imaginary situation or dream. I would travel the world if I had enough money.
Perfect. And to everyone listening, the next time you're planning your weekend, getting advice from a friend, or dreaming about becoming a millionaire, pay attention. You'll hear could, should, and would everywhere. Thanks for joining us today. And remember, English isn't learned by memorizing rules. It's learned by living the language. See you in the next episode.